afternoon, everybody. I overloaded this, but it will come back up to what it needs to and start frying them French fries. I decided to fry them instead of baking them, and I've got some chicken patties in the oven. So we're gonna have some chicken sandwiches. They're Tyson breaded chicken. And we're gonna have French fries, and I'm gonna make a few homemade donuts. So I'm gonna go set the timer for this. I'm also supposed to go out to the pharmacy and to Walmart. We are due for another winter storm this evening. Yay for us. And so hopefully this will heat back up, but it will. If you put your French fries in there and you overload it, it lowers the temperature of the oil, and then it won't fry. But if you'll just leave them there, it will heat back up. Trust me. Just be patient with it. I've got my chicken, like I said, in the oven. I'm going to go in here. My honey is listening to a little Jackson 5 and some 70s tunes, and we're just going to hang out until lunch is ready. Making the donuts, I just use canned biscuits, and I put them in there. And I'm getting carefully maneuvering around here. And then when they start getting brown on the one side, I flip them till they get real good and brown on the other side. And then I'm going to put them in here, which is brown sugar, white sugar, and some cinnamon. And that'll be our dessert. French fries just came out. They look and smell delicious. I can't wait to dive into those. But yeah, that's how simple it is to make just a simple fried donut. Oh my goodness, it's been a long day. I hope you guys are doing well. I just got home. I ended up going to Kroger and not Walmart because everybody said that they are very low staffed at our Walmart and that the deli was closed. There were sections of Walmart that was closed. There was nothing on the shelves. But the good news is I got everything I needed for Ronnie's birthday party on Saturday. And I've got enough food here to last for at least a week. And I don't have to worry about doing this anymore. So I'm good. So I got some big napkins for our party. I'm just going to throw them over there. And then I got some big bowls because I'm going to make Nacho Bowls. So everybody will get I'm just going to fill it with chips and have them pre-ready. And then I will have the nacho cheese in a crock pot. And I bought jalapenos, which are here somewhere, which I'll show you. Got a big bag of potatoes. I'm just going to set them over here. I got 2 of the Digiorno stuffed crust pizza. These are the 3 meat. I just thought I'd get something really, really easy to fix for one day. I don't ever buy this very often, but I'm going to use this for Ronnie's birthday. It's the Velveeta, the original. I got 2. This stuff is not cheap. Not cheap, guys. But that's okay. It's for a special thing. Some onions. These are the only kind of onions they had, which is fine. I got 4 boxes of Jello because I've really been on a Jello kick here lately. I just love it. I got some hot Italian sausage. A big bag of frozen broccoli. We love our broccoli around here. A thing of ground beef. I got 2 things of the pecani sauce. One is mild. And the other one is turkey style and is medium. There it is, medium. Sorry, guys, I couldn't see. Anyways, that is for the party, and whatever's left over, we can definitely use. I got a thing of bacon. 2 things of wild berry muffin mix. I got some canned food, so I got some mushrooms. Another thing of mushrooms. I love having those handy. I did get some black beans because I was completely out of black beans. This is what I'm going to put in the Velveeta, which is the Rotel. So I got 2 of those and 1 thing of the evaporated milk. I got 2 of these. I'm not sure where the second one landed, but I got some oyster crackers. This is one thing that they have really been running low on at the store is crackers. So we love the oyster crackers. We don't need saltines, but I got those. I got a thing of an extra cake mix just in case. I have one already. We're going to have cupcakes. I bought, let's see, put them all together here. I bought taco shells, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes of those, and I'm going to put those away for the party. I got me some sugar-free Swiss Miss. And then I got some extra virgin olive oil. It's completely out. Some mushroom spaghetti sauce. I didn't buy it because it was organic. It was all that they had, so I just bought what I could. I bought sodas for the party, so I got 3 things of the Dr. Pepper and 1 thing of Mountain Dew. My husband loves Mountain Dew, but we don't drink it that often. And in fact, I've gone a week without even touching soda, so I'm really proud of myself. I bought these. They're not for the party, but first of all, if we have leftovers, we'll have those, and we'll just do the enchiladas one night. He loves them. Also, too, these make great breakfast burritos. So I've got sausage, I got eggs, easy to do. I got 3 bags of the original Tostito chips. They didn't have much selection in the way of chips, so I got 3 of those. And this is the jalapenos I bought for the nachos, because I'm going to set up a nacho bar. Down there, I've got a thing of vinegar, and those are my 2 other sodas. Let's see what we got over here. Some of the stuff on my table is not even anything I bought. I bought some brown gravy mix. I didn't even know you could buy it in a box like this, so I bought it because I use it all the time. Here's my other cracker, and then my other chip. And I also got Ronnie some Doritos because he's been wanting some. We actually was going to buy some pretzels. They didn't have any pretzels whatsoever anywhere. Let's see. Is that all I bought? Oh, I bought a loaf of bread, which is back here. Just a classic white loaf of bread, just inexpensive. And I bought some bath stuff, which has already been put away, which is some Dr. Teal eucalyptus and spearmint, I believe, bath foam for my bathtub upstairs, because I'm going to take a bath here in a little while. I hope you guys are doing well. And that is all I bought. And that's going to conclude today's video, guys. And I'm going to get all of this up and watch a little TV with my husband and enjoy my evening. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe and healthy. We're supposed to have big ice tonight, and it's getting colder outside. So you guys be sure to give me a thumbs up on my video. Be sure to give me a comment, shoot me a comment, let me know what your weather is doing. And we will talk to you all again soon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.